Do you already know how to use the MIWE roll-in delta baking perfectly? And are looking for even finer temperature control? This is now possible with the MIWE roll-in variobake. Whether you want to bake macarons, Viennese bases, or even pure unmolded rye bread, this function allows you to adjust the burner settings to exactly meet your product's demands. Now I'll show you how to set MIWE variobake. There are two ways of retrieving the fine-tuning for MIWE variobake. The first is via manual mode. To the right of the picture, select the medium, aggressive, or soft button. Alternatively, you can also save the settings permanently in your baking program. Under Programs you will find Change Program and can choose your settings in the same place, medium, aggressive or soft. These settings control the on and off values of the burner. As a quality baker, this lets you get the most out of your product. Now, just save it, and the programming is done.